up, sports bike fans, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's an absolutely stunning Kawasaki ZX10RR, and these RRs are absolutely stonking. Loads of kit on them, super fast, claim 200 horsepower out the box, and they truly are. Great spec on them from standard. You've got the M50 brakes there, you've got the Brembo master cylinder, yeah. All-ins, steering dampener, you've got traction control, adjustable ABS, also adjustable engine braking, seat cowl. This one's also got a tail tidy as well, and also the fantastic sounding Akrapovic exhaust and decat. Mega bike, R&G protection on sides. This one's a 2017 on a 17 plate, 7,018 miles it's done, and look at it, it's absolutely stunning. I'm going to give you a quick start up. Really quick revving, fantastic sounding. You need to come down and see this little bad boy. Anyway guys, I'll leave you to it. Like I said, all you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.